Are you aware that Internet Explorer 7 offers a really great feature called tabs? Notice this little box here to the right of the Central Piedmont website? It's called a new tab, and if I want to go to another website, I can click on this new tab and just type in the web address of the website. Now notice that I have two different websites, but in only one browser window, and this is so useful because I can just switch back and forth just simply by clicking on the tabs. Another really nice feature is get in the habit, if you would, of when you hover your cursor over a hyperlink on a web page, right-click on it, and then this will allow you to open it in a new tab or a new window. So let's go ahead and open this in a new tab. Now notice that I've got three different web pages here, but again in one browser window. One really nice feature here with tabs is that simply by holding down my left mouse button on a tab, I can drag it to a different position, if you'll notice that black line. And I personally love this ability to reorder the websites, the tabs, in a single browser window. It can help you to be much more efficient when you have multiple websites in a window, and it can make it easier for you to make it more efficient for you to work. Another nice feature is that if you are in a given website, you can actually increase the text size for text on a web page. Now how would you do that? If you go over to Page and pull down to Text Size, you will see that the default text size for a web page in a browser is usually medium. So we'll do something kind of dramatic. You may not want it to be this big, but let's select the largest text size, and you will see that now this is much easier to view and to read. So it's as easy as that in most cases to go ahead and change the text size. There is also an option called Zoom, which is a little bit different, but it can provide you with the same or a similar kind of advantage. Notice that Zoom in is Control plus and Zoom out is Control minus. So since my text is very large right now, I'm going to hold down the Control key and I'm going to hit the minus key, and notice that I am zooming out. And so the effect is that the text in my entire page is getting smaller. So now if I hold Control down and hit the plus key, it makes it big again. So that makes it very, very flexible for me. Another nice feature in Internet Explorer 7, which was available in Internet Explorer 6, is this links toolbar. Essentially it allows you to save a quick jump hyperlink to any kind of web-based resource that you have. Here in the links toolbar, I've got a link to my personal email address. I have a quick link to the employee directory, and it's very, very easy to add something here. To make sure that the links toolbar is visible, in the tools area, pull down to toolbars and make sure that links is checked. And to add something to the links toolbar, just simply add it to your favorites and then just make sure that it's added to the links folder. So I could go ahead and do that, and it will be added. In this particular case, it'll be added down to the very bottom, and I can move that. I could move that up to a different position if I wanted. Let me see if I can do that. Now I just hold it. Whoops! I keep clicking on it, and what I really want to do is drag it. If I hold it down with my left mouse button, you see I can actually move it up, and I'm actually going to move it right here to the right of Netflix. And now I've got the big read, very easy, one click away in my links toolbar. So here are a few tips for you to use Internet Explorer 7 to make it easier for you. Be sure and take advantage of the tabs so that you can have multiple web pages easily accessible in a single browser window. Remember that by holding down the left mouse button and dragging, you can change the order of your tabs. You can change the text size by going to the page drop down, and you can also zoom in by using Control plus and minus. So these are some tips for you to take advantage of Internet Explorer 7.